For this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a professional-looking website using Squarespace. Whether you're starting a blog, showcasing a portfolio, or selling products, Squarespace makes it really easy, even if you've never built a site before. Step 1. Go to squarespace.com. Head over to squarespace.com and click Get Started. Squarespace will ask you a few questions to help customize your setup. For example, you can select a topic like marketing, personal blog, or online store. Step 2. Choose your website goals. You'll be asked what you want to do with your site. You can select multiple options like selling products. This helps Squarespace suggest the best design for you. Step 3. Pick how you want to start. You'll then see two options. Choose a template and build a template. For choose a template, you can browse through hundreds of professionally designed templates and pick one you like. And for build a template, you'll start with a blank layout. This option lets you build from scratch and customize everything step by step. Most beginners find it easier to start with a template since you can fully customize it later. You can customize your site. After naming your site, for example, BeautyCon, you can set your brand personality, then begin editing. Add sections to your homepage like image banners, text blocks, or contact forms. Create additional pages such as About, Services, or Shop. Customize your color palette and fonts to match your branding. Squarespace automatically applies your design choices across the entire site for a consistent look. Step 4. Once your site is created, you'll first be directed to your homepage dashboard, where you can begin setting up the essentials for your website, like adding products if you're selling or enabling scheduling if you offer appointments. From there, you can navigate through different tabs. The Website tab lets you edit the overall appearance and layout of your site, and other sections allow you to manage products, services, memberships, donations, invoicing, and more. Step 6. Publish your site. When you're happy with everything, click Publish. Keep in mind, your site can stay in private mode while you're still editing. To make it public with a custom domain, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Squarespace plans start with a free trial, so you can test everything before committing, and that's it. You now have a professional website built with Squarespace. Pro tip: unlike some platforms, Squarespace includes hosting, SSL, security, and mobile optimization by default, so your site will look great on any device without extra setup.